Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. It seems like I just put out the PNG insert preview for last month, but apparently it's been a month and it's time to do the next month. So if you want to see what coupons are in the October PNG insert, just keep watching. Okay, apparently it's football time, so that's going to be the theme for this PNG. There's $109 worth of savings inside, and new products. But spoiler alert, it's not really new products, it's just new flavors. Also, I peeked inside. There's only 2 buy one get one frees this month, which is kind of sad. And Procter & Gamble are being stingy on the paper product coupons, but let's go ahead and look inside. Fair warning, if you hear snoring in the background, that's my dog. Okay, first up is $2 off one Venus razor, excludes the disposables. This is a limit of 2. Then we have $5 off one Gillette disposable or Venus or Daisy disposable, 6 count or larger. And this is also a limited 2. Check out this little warning over here. Cashier, please verify purchase if this coupon without proper purchase constitutes fraud. Then we have $3 off one Gillette disposable or Venus or Daisy disposable 2 count or larger. Also a limit of 2 coupons per household per day. Then we have $2 off one Gillette razor, excludes the disposables. Also a limit of 2 per household per day. Then over here we have $1 off one Olay bar, 4 count or larger, body wash, rinse off body conditioner, or hand and body lotion. Also a limit of 2. $1 off 2 Old Spice antiperspirant deodorant, body wash, or bar soap. This has a limit of 2 identical coupons per household per day. Now we have $3 off 2 Head and Shoulder products. Pretty typical. We have the $2 off 1 Head and Shoulder men's styling products. Limit of 2. Then we have $3 off 2 Herbal Essence Bio Renew shampoo, conditioner, or styling products. Also a limit of 2. We have $5 off 3 Pantene products, including the Gold Series collection. These are things we typically get at CVS, 3 for $12 or 3 for $15. Limit of 2. Then we have $5 off 2 Pantene Nutrient Blends, Pantene Non-Wash Day Products, Pantene Pro-V Ingredients, or 3 count Pantene Intensive Rescue Shots. Also a limit of 2. Then we have $2 off 1 Olay Regenerous Facial Moisturizing, limit of 2. Those things are so expensive though. $2 off 1 Olay Total Effects Facial Moisturizer. $1 off 1 Olay Skincare product. These are all limits of 2 per household per day. Over here, we have $1.50 off 1 Pampers diaper or Easy Up training underwear. There is a get $5 cashback with Pampers Club. Download the app and get a guaranteed $5 cashback after your first 3 diaper scans. Offer valid for first-time Pampers Club app downloads only. Scan to download the Pampers Club app. We have 50 cents off 2 Pampers wipes, 56 count or higher. $1.50 off 1 Love's diapers, excludes trial and travel size, limit of 2. It shows the box, but you can get the bags for those. Don't let the pictures trick you. $3 off 2 Vicks Vapo products. $1 off 1 Vicks Vapo Shower or Vapo Bath. $2 off 1 Vicks Children's Liquid product. $2 off 1 Vicks Flu Therapy product. I guess it is beginning of fall, so it's going to start getting colds and stuff again. $1 off 1 Vicks Vapor Rub, Baby Rub. 50 cents off 1 ZzzQuil or Pure Z's. $1.50 off 1 Vicks Immune Z's product. $1.50 off 1 Vicks Vapo Cool Drops Spray or Lodging products. $1 off 1 Metamucil Fiber Supplement. $2 off 1 Stress Ball product. I still haven't tried those, but someone needs to put them on sale so we can all coupon them and try them. $2 off 1 Align Probiotic Supplement. Digestive Distress. $2 off 1 Prilosec OTC product. And here are our new products. Actually, they're just new flavors. $3 off 2 Vicks Dayquil, NyQuil, or Formula 44 products. Looks like we got a Honeylicious flavor. I like honey. Don't know if I want it in a cough syrup form. $1 off 1 Vicks Dayquil, NyQuil, or Formula 44 product. Max Coat Cough and Congestion Relief. $3 off 2 Sinex Nasal Spray products. They have a saline one. Helps clear congestion fast. I can say I got some of this at Dollar General and it does work. It works pretty good. And I didn't have a coupon. Oops. Here's just a football layout with a bunch of stuff. They're making these discreet underwear all bougie and stuff now. $3 off 1 Always Discreet Boutique underwear or low-rise underwear. You'd never know it's for bladder leaks. New low-rise hipsters. $3 off 1 Always Discreet pads. Limit of 2. Look at them low-rise. Look like panties. $2 off 1 Always Discreet liners. Our oral care here. $1 off 1 Crest toothpaste or liquid gel, 3 ounce or more. Pretty much the same coupon we get every time. $1 off 1 Crest or Oral-B mouthwash, 473 milliliters or larger. Limited 2. Use those at CVS. $2.50 off 1 Fixodent adhesive twin or triple pack, 1.4 ounce or larger. $3 off 2 Tampax Pearl, Pocket Pearl, Radiant, Pocket Radiant, or Pure tampons, 14 count or higher. These are normally a good thing you can do with IBOTTA and at Walmart. $3 off 2 Always Radiant Infinity Pure or Pure cotton pads, 10 count or higher. Again, IBOTTA and Walmart makes a good combo for that. $1 off 1 Secret Clinical, Secret Essential Oil, or Gillette Clinical Antiperspirant Deodorant, 1.6 ounce or larger. $1 off 2 Secret Atlas, Secret Fresh, Secret Aluminum Free, or Gillette Clear Gel, 2.6 ounce or larger. For our Gain scenarios, we got $1 off 2 Gain Dishwashing Liquid Detergent, 21.6 ounce or larger. If they ever have this in stock, which around here they don't, 50 cents off 1 Microban Sanitizing Spray. It's kind of like Lysol, but I ain't seen it in the store since COVID. $2 off 1 Swiffer Starter Kit, excludes the 1 and 2 count heavy duty dusters and trial travel. $1 off 1 Swiffer Refill or Wet Jet Solution, excludes Wet Jet pads, Swiffer Wet fills, or travel and trial. $1 off 2 Mr. Clean products, excludes Mr. Clean Clean Freak products, a limit of 2. $1 off any one Mr. Clean mop or broom, excluding liquids. And the stingy paper products. 25 cents off one Charmin toilet paper product for a count or larger. Come on, Procter & Gamble, you can do better than this. 25% or 25 cents, wouldn't it be nice if it was 25% off one Bounty paper towel. 25 cents off one Puffs facial tissue. 25 cents off one Charmin flushable wipes. 25 cents, come on. Give us 50 cents, 75 cents, $1. Alright, here's our 2 buy one, get ones. Buy one Febreze small space product, get one Febreze small space product for free, up to $3 value. Buy one Febreze plug scent oil refill, get one Febreze plug scent oil refill free, up to $5 value. There's that warning again. Please verify. Constitutes fraud if you get it for something it's not supposed to be. $1 off one Febreze Air Effects product or car product, excludes plug starter kits and travel and trial. $1 off one Febreze Gain Original Heavy Traffic Carpet Foam. Look at that expiration date, 12/31. It's probably going to take us that long to find it. $2 off one Cascade Action Pack dishwashing detergent tub, 30 count or larger. I know they have the regular Cascade for $10 at Dollar General, so that makes it $8. That's not horrible. $1 off one Cascade Rinse Aid. I've not tried that yet. Have you tried it? Let me know in the comments down below if you have. And Tide. Remember, Tide is regional, so not everybody gets them. $3 off one Tide Pods, 32 count or larger. $2 off one Tide Pod laundry detergent, 31 count or smaller. The Tides are a limit of 1 coupon per day per household. $3 off one Tide laundry detergent, 92 ounce or larger. Tide heavy duty laundry detergent, 69 ounce or larger. Or Studio by Tide. $2 off one Tide detergent, 75 ounce or smaller, or Studio by Tide, 40 ounce, or Tide Pure Clean laundry detergent, 50 ounce or smaller. And a whole lot of other stuff. $3 off one Downy liquid or odor protector, wrinkle guard, or intense. All kinds of stuff listed there. That Downy Defy, I saw it in the clearance section of my Walmart, but I didn't stop and check it out because I was in a hurry. $2 off one Downy liquid fabric conditioner, 60 loads. I really thought that Defy stuff was new, so I don't know why it was in clearance. $3 off one Dreft newborn laundry detergent, 75 ounce or larger. $2 off one Dreft newborn laundry detergent, 40 ounce to 50 ounce, or Dreft active baby laundry detergent, or Dreft Pure. And the back cover. We got the P&G Good Every Day program, if you're not signed up for that. And then my favorite, the Dawn Platinum Power Wash product, $1 off. This stuff, I love. I'm obsessed. They have a green apple scent also. I'm not really a green apple person, but it smells good. You literally just spray it, wipe it, rinse it. I cooked meatballs one day with spaghetti sauce. It was cooked all on the bottom of the pan. I sprayed it, left it overnight, wiped it the next morning, rinsed it, good as new. And there we go. That's all of the P&G insert for October 2020. Can you believe how fast this year is going by? Christmas will be here before we know it. But anyways, that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed seeing the P&G insert preview for October. If you don't mind, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. And hit the little bell, turn notifications off so you get a notification anytime I post a video. Also, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, as always, leave them in the comment section down below. Be watching out for the Dollar General video coming Thursday night. And I guess have a good rest of the week. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. And until next time, Bye.